Birmingham, Priyanka Goswami in the 10,000 meters around 9 o'clock as we now set out here. Yesterday, Sangeeta had a long day in the commentator's box because the pole vault went on at the early start here of the women's 10,000 meters. It's going to be 25 laps. So it's going to be a long journey for these women in the 10,000 meters. The favorite, needless to say, the Priyanka Goswami, Aarti, Mansi Negi, the experienced girls. But currently, whom do we have in the lead, Sangeeta? In the lead is Ravina from Haryana. So she's the leader right now, but all the 15 of the walkers, the race walkers, bunched together with a small break with 3 of them at the back of the pack. They're all walking as if they are on a morning walk. I keep on saying that it's so good now all over the world to see walking as a regular habit. Just outside the stadium, we've had the young and the old. And what was very interesting is that the road gets closed, cars are not allowed, any vehicular traffic is not allowed. And the old and the young all walk around the Birsa Munda Stadium. And here we have the women who have just completed 1 lap of the stadium. The 10 kilometers walk is defined as an event which is held outside the stadium, whereas the 10,000 meters walk is held on the track in the inside of the stadium. The race walk, which has now become popular as a part of the Athletic Federation of India calendar, being held at the Sukna Lake in Chandigarh every year. It's a fabulous sight there. The Sukna Lake on one side, the Shivalik range of mountains on the other, which lead you to Simla and some of the other holiday locations. And that race walk is on a walking footpath where normally every day, every morning and evening, the locals in Chandigarh come for a walk. So that's where the national race walk is held. Ravina still the leader, but as I said, this is just the early part of the women's 10,000 meters.
And in the second lead, she is Aarti of ONGC. First lead is 2:15. Ravina of Haryana. In 10,000 meters race walk for women final.
ओ हीर मेरी तू हंसती रहे तेरी आंख घड़ी भर नम ना हो मैं मरता था जिस
race walking, a highly technical long distance track and field discipline, and I keep on emphasizing it's a highly, on the left hand side you see the water station, one of them picking it up. Highly technical long distance track and field discipline. And unlike running, if you watch these athletes carefully, the competitors must adhere to the strict rules where one foot must always remain in contact. Look at the one of the foot always remaining in contact with the ground, and the advancing leg must be kept completely straight. That's locked at the knee. You watch the leg locked at the knee there. From the moment of the first contact until it passes under the body. That's the rule. So I'm going to repeat that rule for you, which is extremely strict. One foot must always remain in contact with the ground, and the advancing leg must be kept completely straight, locked at the knee from the moment of the first contact until it passes under the body. Is it the same, Sangeeta, Ravina?
Priyanka Goswami is in the lead, followed by Reshma Patel of All India Police and Baljit Kaur Bajwa of Punjab in the third lead.
The sport, of course, relies entirely on human judges to enforce the strict physical regulation, and that's why the role of the judges becomes so very important. It's all very visual, the human judges. The first, of course, point is the loss of contact. The supporting leg. Watch the supporting leg now, which where the walkers cannot run or jump. Very different from the running event. And the rear foot cannot lift off the ground until the front foot has made contact. We have enough time to run through the rules because this event will go on for approximately 43-44 minutes. The national record of Priyanka Goswami, who is here in this event, is 43 minutes 38.83. So we have enough time to chat with you on what the rules are. Now watch the straight leg. It's still the same pattern.
There is a little changes now. We have in the lead is lead number 352. She is Sejal Anil Singh of Maharashtra, followed by Priyanka Goswami of Uttar Pradesh.
The straight leg, the supporting leg must remain straightened and not bent at the knee from the point of contact to the vertical upright position. Far side, the water station coming up now. We've got a couple of them picking up the water bottles. Judges, of course, issue yellow paddles. That's for a possible disqualification. Who likes to watch a disqualification? But that's a part of race walking. The judges issue yellow paddles for visible violations, and if a walker receives 3 red cards from different judges, they are immediately, of course, getting a warning. They go into the penalty zone of 1 minute here in the 10,000 meters, and then if they get the 4th red card, they are disqualified.
Sejal Anil Singh of Maharashtra in the lead, followed by Priyanka. Then we have bib number 125, Reshma Patel of All India Police. 20 laps to go for 10,000 meters race walk women final.
So 20 laps to go. Sangeeta just mentioned about the leaders at this stage. It's opening out here now, and 20 laps to go. A little under 20 laps now. Race walking held both on the running tracks and the open roads, with distances ranging from 1500 meters up to 50 kilometers. That's how long race walking can be. The standard Olympic events are the men's and the women's 20-kilometer race walk and a marathon distance mixed relay now. On the far side, The speed in the race walk, where the top race walkers, Priyanka Goswami, Aarti Mansi Negi, and the others move incredibly fast. Top competitors can cover of a distance of 20 kilometers in about 1 hour and 20 minutes, or walk a single mile in less than 7 minutes. We are talking walking, remember, we are not talking running.
And here it is Ravina of Haryana in the lead. The next lead, Reshma Patel of All India Police.
We talk of race walking, it's also something which is has got plenty of health benefits. It's an excellent low impact exercise, race walking. It also provides the cardiovascular endurance of long distance running, but carries a significantly lower risk of injury, race walking. So I'd like to emphasize on that point. It provides the cardiovascular endurance of long distance running. The broad arm swing. Watch that. The broad arm swing and the rhythmic pelvic rotation engage the entire body's musculature, which of course helps to build strong core and leg muscles.
"18 more laps to go for 10,000 meters race walk for women final." Ravina of Haryana, followed by Reshma, then Priyanka in 10,000 meters race walk women final.
The race walking is a foot race, as you can watch there. It's a foot race, different from running in that one foot, as I mentioned earlier, and the reason why I'm doing that, because on your screens, this might be something. That's the board there. That's the board. We're looking at a few reds coming up, and the reds for 2 or 3 of the walkers. That's the leader, am I right?
Ravina of Haryana, 2:15.
We're clearly looking at the split timings that they are achieving. And going back to what I started off, Andrews, the famous Julia Andrews and Richard Crenna. So there's so much about race walking in films, in English films also.
2:15. Ravina is going for the last lap.
So unless, of course, lightning strikes here at the Birsa Munda Stadium, I don't see this girl. I don't see this girl not getting number 1. Number 2 is way, way behind.
"1:25. Reshma Patel of All India Police. Bell is going to ring for Reshma.
Now she gets the bell, the second girl. The difference between her and Ravina is virtually 200 meters or more. We'll now catch up with the third of the runners.
And she is Munita Prajapati of Uttar Pradesh.
The bell will now go for her. That's the way it might finish out here. Ravina should take the first, or will take the first, I would say very confidently. Priyanka Goswami way back.
Timing in the 55 point something, and the qualification mark is 44 minutes 44.58 seconds.
So there goes Ravina as the bell for the fourth athlete,
She is Priyanka Goswami of Uttar Pradesh.
the double Olympian. Double Olympian, not in the best of things today, Priyanka Goswami, but one must doff our hats to her. 44 minutes, 44.58, the qualification. What does it mean? What does it mean?
44:29.57, and we have to wait for the official timing. Qualification mark for Commonwealth Games is 44 minutes 44.58 seconds.
So 44:29.57, and what is wanted is 44:44.58. So we will wait, as Sangeeta says, for the official confirmation, and if that is true, then Ravina would be the first walker to qualify for the Commonwealth Games.
And here is the second leader, Reshma Patel of All India Police. And the third one is going to finish the race, Munita Prajapati of Uttar Pradesh. 215 Ravina, 125 is Reshma, and Munita Prajapati representing Uttar Pradesh. And it is Priyanka in the fourth place, Priyanka Goswami of Uttar Pradesh. 10,000 meters race walk for women final. The total number of walkers are 50. And here is the official results for women 10,000 meters race walk. Ravina of Haryana